perfect. It's just a simple braid. So you kind of want to just get started to just about this part. Start here. And then from here, you're going to take the flower stem, whatever flower you want to start with. So I'm going to start with the white flower. You're just going to pull it right in between, and then you braid right over it. Adding flowers into yours or you want to. Just take the flowers now, slip it right in between, and then braid right over. Alright, let me help you out. Don't worry. You want to get those flowers in. Kind of want to just take all the apart. Now that we got these three separated, kind of just want to pull one into the middle, and then bring the next one over. There's always replacing the middle one with the outside. Wherever you guys want to. I brought it from this side here. Here. It's kind of just the same process of the other. Here. Finish it off one more time. Perfect. Alright. Alright. Married? No, not married? Alright, flip your hand like this for me. Oh, bring down your sleeve. How's that feel? Good? When you want to take it off, just untie this one here. Alright, yeah, no problem. How you guys doing? You guys doing good? So you got it. Thank you. Hi guys, you guys can grab the next available seats.